To the political scene now, the East Portland by-election is now hours away, and ahead of voting tomorrow, both candidates, the People's National Party's Damian Crawford and the Jamaica Labour Party's Anne-Marie Vaz, are expressing confidence that they will win the seat. The police as well say they are ready to ensure that voting is incident-free. Now tomorrow, we'll have coverage of the event. This evening, the preview.
The stakes are high in East Portland, and for the first time in the history of the seat, once considered a People's National Party stronghold, now the PNP has had to put up a fight to ensure the seat remains orange. Candidate Damian Crawford is confident.
On the 11th of March, I call solid waste. I say send down some garbage truck or they will be blown away. By the time the 25th of March, I call NWA, I say send a tractor, it will be a landslide. Tonight, I'm saying send a boat, it is a tsunami.
The JLP candidate, Anne-Marie Vaz, is equally confident.
Labor rights, PNP, JLP and no P. I come to bring a change. A sweeping change from one end of East Portland to the other one.
For weeks, the calm of East Portland has been jolted by intense campaigning, the two political parties not leaving anything to chance, going house to house in the day and at nights holding spot meetings.
For me, growing up, this is the biggest campaign trail that I have seen over ages. So I think, yes, it's a really big by-election happening here in Portland.
Polling stations are hours away of being open, but not all constituents have made up their mind on who they will vote for.
It's very complex at this moment to really say who will win, because the two parties are really going all out and they are really working real hard. But up to tomorrow, we will see who really comes out victorious.
But for others,
I strongly feel that Damian Crawford will take this election. Yeah, because a really education him really are putting at the youth them head to make them be a better person.
Cruise ships start coming back in a marina and everything. And man like a place run, man, water come in a place, road a fix and everything. JLP will feel say I make better progress right now.
So with both parties touting victory, political commentators argue it will come down to which party is more organized on election day.